Okay, everyone, welcome to this stunning off-grid tiny house with an iconic modern design. Elevated on a wooden platform, this architectural masterpiece blends minimalism and nature in the most beautiful way. It, with its sleek rectangular shape, low-pitched roof, and massive glass windows, this home is designed to bring the outdoor inside while being completely self-sufficient. Nestled among lush trees and vibrant greenery, this is the ultimate escape into nature. Let's take a look inside. Alright guys, welcome back to the another amazing tiny house reaction, and today we are stepping inside something truly special. A modern wooden tiny house with massive glass windows that open up to an absolutely breathtaking cliffside forest view. I mean, just imagine waking up to that scenery every day. Let's take a deep dive into this stunning space. Wow, just look at this beautiful minimalism design. The entire interior is wooden, giving it such a warm and cozy atmosphere. And thanks to this large glass window, natural light just floors the space, making it feel so open and airy. And of course, the cliffside forest view, it's like having a living, moving piece of art right inside your home. I love how they keep the ceiling simple and flat, maintaining a clean modern aesthetic. It helps give the space a neat, uncluttered look, which is perfect for a minimalist tiny home like this. And now, let's check out the kitchen. It's compact but super functional, with a sleek modern countertops, smart storage solution, and just the right amount of workspace. Everything is well placed, making it easy to cook while still enjoying that gorgeous forest view through the glass window. Just imagine having your morning coffee here. Absolutely perfection. Okay, and now, wow, look at this love bed setup. Instead of using leather, they went for proper stairs, which is such a smart and practical design choice. Not only does it make a climbing up and down so much easier, but I'm guessing the stairs also double as hidden storage compartments, a must have for tiny living. And up in the loft, you still get that beautiful forest view through the windows. I bet sleeping here feels like a dream. And check out this cozy little lounge space. Even in a tiny home, they have managed to fit a comfortable sitting area, perfect for relaxing, reading a book, or even getting some work done. The wooden table and chair fit perfectly with the natural, minimalist aesthetic of the home. Honestly, everything about this space is so well thought out. And overall, of this tiny house is an absolutely masterpiece of minimalist living, from the warm wooden interior to the breathtaking views, the functional kitchen, the cozy love bed, and the well-lit open space. Everything about this home is designed to feel comfortable, practical, and visually stunning. This is not just any tiny house bathroom. This one features huge glass window with an insane cliffside forest view. I mean, imagine soaking in a bathtub while being completely surrounded by nature. Let's take a closer look. And wow, just look at this stunning modern interior. The warm wooden tones give the space such a cozy, spa-like feel, and thanks to these massive glass windows, natural light just floats the entire room, and that cliffside forest view, it honestly feels like you were showering in the middle of nature, but with all the modern comfort. I love how they've kept the ceiling design simple and clean. The flat square shape keeps the space feeling uncluttered and open, which is super important and in a tiny house. No unnecessary decoration, just a clean minimalist aesthetic that makes the room feel bigger and brighter. Now let's check out the toilet setup. It's positioned perfectly to maximize space, and I love how they keep the design sleek and modern. And of course, there is an exhaust fan right above, ensuring proper ventilation and keeping the space fresh at all times. In tiny homes, good airflow is everything. And guys, this right here is what makes this bathroom next level incredible. A fully sized bathtub positioned right next to a huge glass window overlooking the cliffside forest. I mean, come on. Just imagine soaking in a warm bath while watching the trees wave outside or catching the sunset. This is tiny house luxury at its finest. And now, moving over to the sink and mirror setup. I love how they keep it minimal yet functional. The wooden vanity blends seamlessly with the rest of the interior, and the mirror placement helps reflect light around the room, making it feel even more open and spacious. It's simple, elegant, and super practical. Honestly, this bathroom is one of the most stunning tiny house bathroom I've ever seen. From the wooden interior to the smart layout to the modern fixture, and of course, that breathtaking glass window with the cliffside views. Everything about this space is designed for both comfort and style. It's functional, beautifully lit, and just an absolutely dream. Okay, well, between the exterior and some of the interiors that I present just now only focus on the theme of material and color composition. This does not mean that there is a correlation regarding the position of openings and a synchronized layout between the exterior and the interior. However, this is the design inspiration that I present with the hope of being able to give all of you useful ideas and inspiration. So, what do you think, guys? Could you see yourself living in this tiny home like this, surrounded by nature? Let me know in the comment. And thanks for enjoying this video until the end. And wait for my next video and have a good day.